Today we are going with a traditional dessert, a village sweet, grandma's cakes. They turn out crispy, they turn out tasty, they turn out spectacular. You have to prepare them. Look, what do traditional sweets, those homemade sweets so typical of all towns that are so good, have in common? Well, they are very cheap. So let's attack and prepare a spectacular one. Stay until the end and then tell me if you liked it or not. I'm Vidi, this is Grandma's Kitchen. Let's get started. First ingredient, flour, 250 grams, which is about a cup. We pour the flour into a big bowl. We make a little hole in the middle shaped like a volcano. There it is. And we move on to the second ingredient, olive oil, 50 milliliters, which is a little bit like this. I know it's expensive, so we add the oil. There it is. It's going to give it super flavor. And we move on to the next ingredient. Water, 100 milliliters of water, about a quarter of a cup. We incorporate. It's important that it's super hot. There it is. I have it. And I'm going to get a wooden spoon to mix little by little. It's there, don't worry, just seconds away. Next ingredient. We need a large egg, type 50. We're going to add it to the mix that we've already homogenized, so inside the egg. We're also going to add a tablespoon of sugar to give the dough some flavor. We'll add more flavor with 2 teaspoons of anise. I love the one from Asturiana. Finally, vinegar. We add the vinegar, which is 5 milliliters of vinegar. We mix everything well. You can put your hand in, nothing will happen. You will save time, I'm telling you. And the next ingredient is baking soda, a teaspoon, so they puff up a little bit. There it is. When I have the mixture like this, I add, and don't worry, if you need a little more flour, add it. We mix everything well. We need to knead until we form a ball like the one you see here. You have it, then you cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. After the time, a pinch more flour and we knead again. There it is. There, don't worry because it's going to be seconds of kneading. From here we give it a cylindrical shape and cut it into pieces. There I have it. Then we will use these pieces to make balls of medium size, like a meatball more or less. These little balls, if the piece is very large, split into 2. And you will have the same ones as me. Look at them, how beautiful. I have them all there. And now, a little more flour, and we roll out each of the balls to form our cakes. Long and thin. See? It doesn't stick or anything. We stretch it out, and then we're going to make some holes with a fork. So they fry better, don't inflate too much, and don't explode. You'll have a bunch. All big like this. Any shape will do. We go to the fire sunflower oil because olive would be too expensive. And we fry on both sides. A few seconds and they will be ready. We remove, place on a blotting paper. This is nearly ready. Now for the final touch. We roll it in sugar, a good coating of sugar, to give it the sweet and crunchy touch that this traditional dessert needs. Look at them one by one. And from here to the table, there you have it. Amazing. They turn out incredible. Grandma's cakes, a village sweet, very simple to prepare, cheap, and that looks as good as you see in the image. Look, a little crunchy touch, a tasty little touch, and on top of that, super easy recipe. Laughs, who gives more to the attack? They are delicious. Homemade village cakes, look. The crunch of the sugar, the fluffy inside and the bottom and top, golden brown, a wonder. Simple recipe, easy, cheap. It's great for breakfast, snacks, dinner, parties, or any occasion. I'll provide the ingredients for you. wherever they fit, also in the text box and throughout the video, so no one gets lost. Thanks for coming. If you like them, prepare them and give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't, I see you.